So I did a slideshow on the lymphatic system, and yeah. So what is the lymphatic system? It is an organ system in vertebrates, which is part of the circulatory system and the immune system. And there's a picture. Next slide. What is the lymphatic system made up of? It is made up of a large network of lymphatic vessels, lymphoid organs, and lymphoid tissues. And next one. What are the main functions of the lymphatic system? It has various different functions. The first one is being responsible of removing interresidual fluid from tissues. It also absorbs and transports fatty acids and fats as chyle from the digestive system. Last, it transports white blood cells to and from the lymph nodes into the bones. And next one. Here are all of the lymphatic organs. The first one is thymus. It is a lymphoid organ that is situated in the neck of vertebrates that produces T cells for the immune system. The second one is the spleen, an abdominal organ involved in the production and removal of blood cells in most vertebrates and forming parts of the immune system. The third one is the lymphatic nodes, a number of small swellings in the lymphatic system where lymph is filtered and lymphocytes are formed. Lymphatic vessels, they are thin-walled and are structured like blood vessels, and they carry and contain lymph. And the last one is lymph, colorless fluid containing white blood cells, which bathes the tissues and drains through the lymphatic system into the bloodstream. And the next one are occupations involving the lymphatic system. I found lymphatic massage therapist, lymphatic drainage, and lymphatic occupational therapist. Next slide. Illnesses related to the lymphatic system. Some lymphatic diseases. Lymphadenitis, an infection of the lymph nodes usually caused by a virus, bacteria, or fungi. Lymphoma, it is a malignant cancer caused from the body producing too many white blood cells. Lymphangitis, it is an inflammation of the lymph vessels. Lymphedema, it is a chronic pooling of lymph fluid in the tissue. And lymphocytosis, it is a high lymphocyte count. Next slide. Would I be interested in a job working with the lymphatic system? And I said, after doing research on the lymphatic system and seeing the jobs around it, it didn't seem like something that I would personally like to work with. And something people should know is that also, while looking at potential jobs that work for the lymphatic system, I found out that there are no jobs nearby that deal with the lymphatic system. The closest I found was in Arizona, which is kind of far away, but not something I would like to move somewhere to do an occupation. And it seems that it's not very popular with people. And then that's my work side. And